The social contract is a theory which says that morality is, in a sense, non existent. The theory is just that humans are selfish and have, in a sense, humans are born with the right to do everything, but when we have the right to do everything, there can be no civilization, there can be no order because we will just kill each other because there is no reason not to, in a sense, because we could be scared that someone else would do it to us. So, in a sense, there needs to be a moral order, and the social contract, in a sense, brings that order without using religious ideals. The theory says humans are selfish, but they are still rational, which allows them to come to the conclusion that I give up this right, you give up this right, and we can all work together and prosper. And in a sense, that is what following the law is. It's a social contract which we all sign when we are born, if we don't like it or not. So the social contract made by Thomas Hobbes says that humans are all equal and that war is just human nature and that humans just are at war all the time until there is a common law. a, um, this common law allows us to come together and work together. So that is what the social contract gives us. And peace is, in a sense, just the opposite of war, which means that there's order and that there's we're not killing each other. We're just working together to live on. And in my interpretation of social contract, I would say that I could use it to explain why morality changes throughout the times. Because back in the 1700s, when there was no machinery, really, because the Industrial Revolution does not really happen to the 1750s, 1760s. So obviously, we're going to need manual labor for that, for crops. But then when we enter post-industrial revolution, the really 1800s, we can just we have the machines that can do the work for us. So in a sense, we go from something that is not, because the thing is that in social contract everything is right and nothing is wrong unless a law says it's wrong, which means that in a specific social contract something is right or at least acceptable, and then in another social contract it's wrong. So in a sense, the social contract really says that morality is subjective to the society that creates it, and it says pretty much that the the golden rule, which I would suppose everyone knows, that is treat others as you treat yourself. Everyone is rational and can come to that conclusion just by thinking for a moment, or really just analyzing how the world coexists with each other.